Okay, this is a chart of PFIZER. I just want to show here I'm buying at 37.60, adding to the dividend portfolio. This is a buy and hold, looking to hold PFIZER here for a few years. So just to let you guys know that this is what I'm adding to the portfolio today, and we'll show you the monthly. It is high on the monthly. Its overall high here is up around the $47 mark. So this is just the first add into the portfolio, and then if it does happen to come down into this area, the 2600 area, or the $26 area, I will be buying more shares, so adding into it. So I just wanted to let you guys know on the daily, this is what I'm looking at, why I'm buying into it, and adding it to the portfolio. So we'll talk to you guys in a bit.